Who doesn't want to prevent election fraud, financial fraud, mortgage fraud, birth certificate fraud, to make sure that, child prostitution?
So what is blockchain?
Blockchain essentially is a new technology invented in 2008, 2009. And it was invented by a guy named Satoshi Nakamoto. And his goal, essentially, if you read between the lines, was to prevent financial crashes like the ones we had in 2008.
Oh, okay.
The technology underlying Bitcoin is called blockchain. So blockchain is a technology, and it is a technology that allows us to prevent fraud by having 1,000 copies of the truth all over the world at the same time. Now, the interesting thing with blockchain is that because it essentially prevents fraud, trust is central to an economy. And if you think of trust as being central to an economy, fraud is the center of all crime. And so if you have a technology that can, on a global scale, prevent fraud, who doesn't want to prevent election fraud, financial fraud, mortgage fraud, birth certificate fraud, to make sure that, child prostitution rings.
The little Sally is being born and not somebody else taking her identity.
Well, this is very important in the third world, where you have children being, trafficked across borders because they are forging their birth certificates. So what if you had a global record-keeping system that nobody could tamper with for children, so that nobody can transport them across borders, that nobody can break a financial system, nobody can have election fraud? There's a lot of use cases for a system that can't be tampered